Okay, let's get to it. So first, what you want to do is get a cup of flour and you want to sift that through a sifter. Now, this is going to ensure that the pancakes are extremely soft and fluffy. So I really encourage you to get a sifter and sift your flour. From there, take 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Get you a whisk, or in this case, I have my son's whisk because mine broke. Lesson here, use what you got in the kitchen and go ahead and whisk that up and make sure that it all is incorporated. Now you want to take 2 eggs and you want to separate the eggs from the yolk and the egg whites. So go ahead and put your yolk into one bowl, put your egg whites into another bowl, and we want to also make sure to be clean and put your egg whites aside. We'll use those later. From there, we want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take your whisk and you want to mix that together until nice and smooth. And from there, we want to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now, I know you're probably thinking, why sour cream? I don't have buttermilk. Sour cream and milk will do just fine. The sour cream will add some good fats, nice acidity. It's a really good alternative if you don't have buttermilk. 3/4 cups of milk, and go ahead and just whisk that all together till it's nice and incorporated evenly. All right, now back to the egg whites. So get yourself a hand mixer and we want to beat the eggs up until they turn into a nice stiff peak. Now this is going to take a while. Make sure your blender is at medium-high speed and just go ahead and get to beating. All right, at first it's going to start to foam up a little bit. You're on the right path. Keep going. As you see here, it's starting to form, and wow, look at that. Nice stiff peaks. That's what we want. You don't want to overbeat it. You want nice peaks. Now we want to take our wet ingredients and add it into the dry. Go ahead and add it in, and then go ahead and just mix it all together. We're not trying to overmix it, just making sure it's all incorporated inside. And from there, we want to take 3 tablespoons of melted butter, unsalted that is, and go ahead and just get that all mixed in. And then for the egg whites, we want to add it all in and fold it this time with a spatula. Now we're not mixing, we're just folding it in. As you see, just go around the bowl, fold it back in, as you see. So it's okay if you have some egg whites still showing, that's perfectly fine. And from there, we want to let it rest for about 10 minutes, allow all the ingredients to fully form and activate. From there, get you a skillet or a pan and get some butter on there and get it nice and warm. And as it comes up to temp, you want to add your pancake batter. Here I'm using 1/4 cup of pancake batter, and I like to use the bottom of the cup and just kind of smooth it out evenly. If you want bigger pancakes, go ahead and use a bigger cup or just add more batter onto the skillet, and we're just going to go ahead and let those cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I know people like to say wait for the bubbles to form before flipping, but here you just have to use good judgment. Make sure that you're peeking with your spatula to ensure that it's cooked to your desired temp, and voila, flip, boom. All right, you're left with some nice golden edges. And look at those pancakes, those look amazing. So go ahead and scoop those out, and we are going to repeat the same process over and over. This recipe calls or makes around 4 to 6 pancakes depending on the size of them. But as you can see, look how gorgeous those look. Now I like to finish the pancakes off with a nice slab of butter and pure maple syrup. Ladies and gentlemen, please get pure maple syrup. Don't get the fake stuff. It's not good, nor is it good for you. All right, so look at how that syrup just sits and just glosses over those pancakes. These didn't stand a chance. As you can see, they're already gone after about 6 to 8 bites. I demolished them. So that's it. If you like the recipe, make sure you comment, like, subscribe below, and until next time, keep eating.